Let's be honest, most people are creating their digital products with no system, no structure, and no strategy. They're stuck in this cycle of constant creation, new planners, new templates, new ideas, but no consistent sales. And I'm guilty of that. I've done it before. I've created multiple products, planners, templates, you name it. And I was doing that for years, but I've had to change up my strategy a bit. Now I don't do chaos, I do blueprints. And in this video, I'm breaking down my personal framework for building digital products that bring in sales every day without chasing trends and without the burnout. So whether you're brand new or you've already launched something that didn't perform the way you'd hoped, you're about to learn the exact steps that changed my business and my peace of mind. Because when you have the right systems, your products don't just sell once, they sell forever. So let's start with section 1, the foundation. Profitable product clarity. Every successful digital product starts with clarity. Before you design anything, ask yourself this question. What problem am I solving? Who is this for? What are they struggling with right now? Because if your product isn't solving a problem, it's just content. And content doesn't convert. Solutions do. Whenever I create a new product, I focus on 3 clarity points: purpose, positioning, and profit path. The purpose is, what result will this help someone achieve? Positioning, who is it for? And what transformation do they want? And the profit path, how does this product lead to my next offer or system? Once you're clear on those 3 things, everything else becomes easy. That's how you stop guessing and start creating strategically. And here's a quick tip. Don't create for everyone. Create for the person who's ready to pay for clarity. Section 2, the blueprint behind every product that I create. Step 1 is research before revenue. I don't guess. I research what's already selling. Pinterest, Etsy, and Amazon. Those are my 3 holy trinities. I analyze what's trending, what's missing, and what I can do better. Step 2 is the transformation. Every product I create has a transformation promise, not how to make an ebook, but how to launch your first digital product and make consistent income. That's the difference between a commodity and a best seller. Step 3 is to design with emotion. People buy with their eyes and their emotions. Your visuals should feel like success. Luxury fonts, clean layouts, space for the mind to breathe. Step 4, price for perception. Pricing isn't about what you think you're worth. It's about what the transformation is worth to them. The right price doesn't scare people away. It signals value. And step 5, systemize the scale. This is the step that most creators skip. Your product is not finished when it's designed. It's finished when it's automated. So this means that your checkout page, your follow-up email, your thank you funnel, your upsell, all working behind the scenes. A little tip, build with intention. If you can't explain why each step exists, remove it. Section 3. The secret to daily sales. Daily sales don't come from luck, they come from leverage. And here's what I mean. Most creators build a product, post it once, and then move on. That's not a business, that's a hobby. You need a system that brings your product in front of new people every day. Here's how I do it. I drive organic traffic through Pinterest and YouTube. I create short form content that educates first and sells second. I have an automated email funnel that nurtures my leads without me lifting a finger. I don't rely on the algorithm, I rely on my systems. A quick little tip. Daily sales happen when you stop posting for likes and start building for longevity. Section 4, why most people never scale. Let's talk about why most creators never scale. They treat their digital product like a post, not a product. They make it once, they post it once, maybe share it twice, and then wonder why sales stopped. Listen, your digital product is an asset. It's not a trend, it's not a post, it's not a one-time launch. So when you start treating your product like a system, you build consistent revenue. That's how I make sales daily. Not because I'm constantly promoting, but because my systems are constantly working. Stop selling harder, build smarter. Section 5, my personal creation checklist. Here's a quick breakdown of my personal creation checklist. Use this before you launch your next product. Answer these 5 questions. Is my product solving one specific problem? Is the transformation clear on the first glance? Does it look and feel premium? Is my pricing communicating my value? Is there a system to sell it daily, like email, traffic, or funnel? If you can check all 5 of these boxes, you're not just creating a product. you're creating a business model. A quick tip: a good product sells once, a great product creates consistency. A visionary product builds freedom. So if you've been wondering how to finally create a product that sells while you sleep, this is your sign to stop winging it and start building with intention. You don't need another idea. You need a blueprint. And that's exactly what I give you inside of Digital Product Millionaire. It's my step-by-step system to help you build, launch, and automate products that make sales every single day, even with a small audience. Because freedom doesn't come from more work. It comes from systems that work for you. Build it once, earn forever. I'll see you inside.